Hey, it's Stephen Shipler with the Stephen Shipler Group. We have another great property at 7911 Raleigh Place in Westminster, Colorado, 80030. Again, it's Stephen Shipler with the Stephen Shipler Group, and we look forward to sharing this beautiful property with you. It's 7911 Raleigh Place in Westminster. This home represents high-quality construction, refined taste, and a gorgeous new gourmet kitchen. This beautiful home provides the perfect layout for entertainment with the big open living area. This gorgeous property is one-of-a-kind dream home with a huge gourmet deluxe kitchen and island. The gourmet kitchen at this stunning property has a gas cooktop, Bosch appliances, this big open kitchen floor plan overlooking the family room. The backyard is perfect for executive entertainment and ultimate privacy. This exceptional traditional design is a four-bedroom property which features light and bright finishes contrasted by rich flooring designer features and hardware and sought-after floor plan with the master on one side of this property and the other three bedrooms, the guest rooms, on the opposite side. Come have a peek at this elegant, stunning, upscale property that you won't find again. This is a complete remodeled property that won't come along very often. Give us a call at the office at 720-443-0713. We'd love to take you through this gorgeous property. You can see as we keep moving around through the kitchen area here, this is going over toward the laundry room and into this open hallway. Coming into this second bedroom on the back of the property, all new gorgeous Pella windows, all new paint, designer touches throughout, tile flooring, brand new tile flooring, all new fixtures, all new hardware. Coming around into the second bedroom, same thing, similar. All new Pella windows, all new designer paint, baseboards, designer tile. Coming back out into this open, gorgeous hallway. You can see the gourmet kitchen again, and then turning, you come down to this bathroom that has the designer tile, designer inlay, all new designer features, designer cabinetry. This gorgeous fourth room has Pella windows also, and again, designer flooring. Coming back out into the hallway, this will give us a walk back out to see this gorgeous open concept, all new tile, all new windows, barn doors, luxury kitchen, gourmet kitchen with gas cooktop for amazing cooking, Bosch appliances, and we would look forward to showing this property. This is not on the market yet, and we would love to show any of our customers, any of our buyers, this beautiful property, and look forward to talking with you soon and working with you. Thanks so much, and you can call our office if you'd like to get a direct showing. It's 720-443-0713. Thanks and have a wonderful day.